What it do, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, drop a comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. Share this video and all my videos on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at AppGrind. And once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that follow these guidelines and they will get a chance to win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, subscribe now. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $50 in free PayPal money in minutes. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. So it'll be beneficial for you right now to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out my video. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm talking about today in this video. And don't forget to type hashtag the grind is real so you can get a chance to win that free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers. Also follow me on Instagram at AppGrind. Now, one more thing before I get into this method today. I have another channel. It's called Random Reg TV. On that channel there, I'm also giving away free money once I reach 2,000 subscribers. So do me a favor. Go to that channel, subscribe, check out some of the videos, and help me get to 2,000 subscribers. All right, without further ado, let me go ahead and go to this website so you can learn how to earn $50 in free PayPal money in minutes. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm at the Google Play website and I pulled up this app. It's called Pi Automatic Cashback. So you're going to be using this app to make money with automatic cashback. Now, as you can see here, when you sign up, you're going to claim $5 right off the bat. You're going to be able to have cashback on existing cards. You're going to be able to save 20% from your favorite stores. You'll be able to give and get bonuses for friends you invite. And let's scroll down here and read a little bit more. So it says here, Pi is a free app that allows you to receive up to 20% cash rewards on any debit or credit card with over 110,000 locations nationwide. You can now receive cash rewards anytime you visit a Pi merchant. No coupons, no in-app purchases, and no loopholes. Just straight credit card style cashback on your debit card and credit cards. So earning is easy with Pi. So you just simply link your debit card or your credit card, and then you're going to be able to receive rewards, spend as you would, and watch you start seeing that cash rewards add up. Now, Pi offers rewards at stores like Target, Trader Joe's, H&M, AMC Theaters, GameStop, and many more. So let's go ahead and scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars, it's 3.9. Now, I always say 4.0, 4 point above is a very, very good app if the rating is 4.0 or above. But this is close to 4.0. It's 3.9, so it's still a pretty good app. Now let's look at one review here. This person named Andre, they said this app really does pay you back. I have my own business and we are constantly eating out due to us working outdoors, being away from home. I would recommend this app to anyone. Make sure you always use the card that links to your account. You will get paid. And this was a recent review in June. So this person really does like this app, and he's getting money. He's getting paid. Okay, guys, that's all I'm going to say about this app, because I got another website I want to show you guys. Brand new website, brand new app. I've never talked about it before. So let me go ahead and go over there. But make sure you check this app out, which is Pi Automatic Cashback. It's available on Google Play Store and Apple Store. Okay, let me go ahead and go to the second app. Okay, I'm at this website, and the name of this is Freebird. And this is also available as an app in the Google Play Store and the Apple Store. So this is also a cashback type of website and app. So let's read a little bit about it right quick. So cash earned with Freebird app is 3,885,000. The rating is 4.80. It's in the App Store, and the cash paid out on Safe Rides Home, and which I'll tell you in a minute what they mean by Safe Rides Home, is $964,052. And the rating there in the Google Play Store is 4.60. And lifetime Freebird users up to date is 148,770. Now this is how it works. You take a ride. So it's free to use, and you simply connect your Uber or Lyft accounts to ensure a smooth ride experience both to your destination and earnings rewards just for getting in the car. So this is a little bit different. You're going to be getting cash back from Uber rides, Lyft, and all different type of ride sharing services. So this is how you're going to get paid out. So what if your favorite restaurants and bars, so also you're going to get cash back from restaurants and bars. And let's see here what else it says here. Let's go here. Safe rides found here. Save money and have a peace of mind with a safe ride home from your major brand partners. Gold stars are nice, but we prefer to give away rewards to get you home safely. And you're going to be able to earn frequent rider miles. So if you're already using Uber or Lyft, why not get paid for the rides you take every day? And let's see what it says on here. So you're going to be able to get paid just using Uber and Lyft, like I said before. So this is a very, very good app. Now their partners are Dave & Buster's, TGI Fridays, and iHeartRadio. And here's some testimonies. You can come check that out. So that's all I'm going to say about this website here in this app. So go ahead and check it out. It's brand new. Seems like a pretty good app. You should go ahead and try to make some money from this. So it's available in the App Store and the Google Play Store. Check this out. It's called Freebird, and go to freebirdrides.com. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. But before you go, please don't forget to hit that like button. And help me to get like 100 likes. That's all I ask. Just 100 likes, guys. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about both of these apps that I've talked about in this video. And don't forget to type hashtag the grind is real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers. And make sure you follow me on Instagram at appgrind. Also, share this video all around the internet because I want to help everybody I can to become their own boss. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, grind family, thanks for your support. Let's keep grinding. Let's get to 4,000 subscribers. Road to 4,000. Here we come. And I'm gonna keep on dropping these videos, guys. So that's it. Oh, matter of fact, let me go ahead and do a shout out right quick. I'm gonna get this comment. Okay, so the shout out I want to give to is Positive Vibes. Thank you for your shout out. Thank you for your comment. Really appreciate you checking out my video, and thank you for being a subscriber if you have subscribed. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you again for watching this video. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and be safe.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on, yeah.